Top 10 Best Soaps in the World. African Black Soap by Shea Moisture. Made from raw shea butter and traditional African ingredients, this soap fights blemishes, soothes irritation, and balances oily or acne-prone skin. Aesop Body Cleansing Slab, a premium botanical bar that blends natural oils like bergamot, ylang-ylang, and Tahitian lime. Cleanses thoroughly while delivering a subtle, elegant fragrance. Klaus Porto Clásico Soap, Portugal. Luxury meets tradition in this beautifully wrapped soap, enriched with pistachio oil and shea butter. Long-lasting, richly scented, and exquisitely made. Mysore Sandal Soap, India. Crafted with pure sandalwood oil, this iconic Indian soap has a warm, woody aroma and antiseptic properties that leave the skin soft, glowing, and refreshed. Kiehl's Made for All Gentle Body Cleanser Bar, USA. Dermatologist tested, biodegradable, and suitable for all ages and skin types. This soap respects your skin and the planet while offering gentle, effective cleansing. Nesti Dante Il Purissimo, Italy. An artisanal, plant-based soap made with love and tradition. Free from impurities, Il Purissimo is ultra-pure, unscented, and hypoallergenic, perfect for delicate skin. L'Occitane Shea Butter Extra Gentle Soap, France. Infused with 100% pure shea butter, this luxurious soap gently cleanses and nourishes even the driest skin types. A pampering experience straight from Provence. Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Bar Soap, USA. Made with organic oils and no synthetic preservatives, Dr. Bronner's soap is eco-friendly, multi-use, and ideal for face, body, and hair. Available in a range of refreshing natural scents. Pears Transparent Soap, UK. A timeless classic with its glycerin-rich transparent formula that cleans without stripping natural oils. Loved for its mildness and fresh herbal scent. Dove Beauty Bar, USA. More than just a soap, Dove gently cleanses and deeply nourishes the skin with 1,4 moisturizing cream. Perfect for daily use, even on sensitive skin.